There are more brown bear attacks in Romania than any other country in Europe or North America, suggests a study published in Scientific Reports, which also states that understanding the scenarios of these attacks is not only important for human safety, but is also critical for brown bear conservation efforts. The researchers collected data on 664 brown bear attacks on humans between 2000 and 2015. While 85.7% of these attacks resulted in human injury, just 14.3% resulted in human fatality, averaging roughly 6 deaths per year over the 16-year period. The study does point to a lack of complete information on bear attacks in Russia, where roughly half of the world's brown bears are found. But even if we bump this yearly figure up to 10, brown bears are still responsible for far fewer deaths than many other famously dangerous animals, despite the disproportionate media attention highlighted in other studies. Where possible, each of these attacks was then categorized in various ways. Those attacked by brown bears were mostly adult males, and 63% of the time the person in question was alone. In terms of human activity, 22% were hunting, 28% of people attacked were working outside, for example while farming, guarding livestock or logging, and 50% of people were engaged in leisure activities such as hiking, picking wild food or camping. Common scenarios were grouped into 5 categories, with dog presence accounting for 17% of attacks, a sudden encounter representing 20%, and a female brown bear with cubs accounting for 47%. In addition, 3 specific correlations were observed by the researchers: a significant increase in the number of attacks over the years, a negative correlation between human population density and bear attacks, and a positive correlation with bear population density, which partially explains why Romania experiences so many attacks. Additionally, of the 94 attacks that occurred outside while working in Europe, 68% of these were in Romania, suggesting that Romanian shepherds, farmers and cattle herders are one of the communities at a higher risk.